Hello everyone, and welcome to the FlowZone instructional series. In this video, we'll be replacing a hose. Let's get started.
To replace the hose, you will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a cup filled with hot water. First, remove the battery from the sprayer. Then, using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the cover plate. It may be helpful to use a flashlight to locate the screw in each crevice. Loosen the strain relief fitting and gently set the cover plate aside. Locate the hose clamp where the hose connects to the diaphragm pump, and using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the clamp by turning the screw counterclockwise. Once the hose clamp is loosened, remove the hose from the pump by twisting and pulling on the hose. Slide the old hose out of the cover plate to remove it. Be sure not to lose the hose clamp. To install the replacement hose, first insert it through the cover plate. To make it easier to attach the new hose to the pump, dip the end of the hose into a cup of hot water for 10 to 15 seconds. This softens the hose material and makes installation easier. Make sure to slide the hose clamp onto the new hose, then fit the end of the replacement hose to the pump barb. Ensure that the hose is fully seated on the barb before sliding the hose clamp over the hose to pump connection and tightening the clamp using the flathead screwdriver. If the circuit board was removed from its slot, slide it back in. If you haven't already, remove the spray gun from the old hose and attach it to the replacement hose. With some water in the sprayer, insert the battery into the sprayer and test it. If there is any leaking or dripping from the newly installed hose connection, try tightening the hose clamp. If the sprayer is performing normally, reattach and secure the cover plate on the sprayer.
Thanks for watching. If you're still experiencing issues with your sprayer, please reach out to our live support team. We are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. You can contact us through live chat on our website, fcspray.com. Call us at 803-339-2500 or email us at support@wessel.com. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our channel for other instructional videos and FlowZone content.